morning, my Faye babes. Welcome back to my vlog. If this is your first time joining, my name is Faye. Welcome. Thank you so much for deciding to stop by. I hope you hear or see something that calls you want to join the family. And for those that are returning, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Today is Thursday, October the 20th. I don't really have too much planned for today. I'm basically gonna just be around the house. Kind of tired, but you know, the day has to go on. I'm gonna be getting up shortly and just make me a nice hot cup of coffee and just try to get myself together. And I will pick you guys back up in a little bit, okay? All right. So y'all, after enjoying my nice cup of coffee, I decided to go ahead, throw something on so I can go for a walk. And there's a park right by my house, so I wanted to show you guys some of the scenery. So enjoy. So y'all, I made it back safely and I'm kind of hungry, so I decided to go ahead and make me a salad. So watch me while I do my thing. Good morning, my Faye babes. Welcome back to my vlog. It's been a few days since I picked up the camera. I've actually been sick with an upper respiratory infection, so I haven't really vlogged any, but I'm glad to be back. If this is your first time, my name is Faye. Welcome. If you're returning, welcome back again. Glad to have you back. I hope something is said or done in the video that will cause you to want to join the Faye Bae family. So go ahead and hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. You guys, I'm going to be going to a doctor's appointment today. As I just mentioned, I've been having upper respiratory issues, so I'm going to see the pulmonary doctor so I could get that checked out. And I'm going to bring you guys along, as well as stopping at, I believe, Target or Walmart. I'm not sure. But I need to pick up a few things for the house, so I will be bringing you guys along with that. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day thus far, and let you know that you're blessed regardless of what's going on around you. You're still blessed if you're here to deal with it because you're breathing. All right, I'll call you back in a little bit. So guys, these are the fragrances I'm wearing. I just took a shower and used the Kama Sutra body scrub, which is freaking amazing. And then I followed it up with the Kama Sutra body butter and topped it off with Ebony Woods. So I smell so good, you guys. You guys, if you haven't tried this combination, go ahead and give it a try. Okay guys, I'm finally done getting ready for my appointment. I just have on this pullover sweatpants material top, short sleeve. It has the word happy on the front. And then I have on the matching jogging pants to go along with that. I'm wearing some white Nikes to pair along with this. And then I have on my white gold and diamond jewelry along with my Coach diamond watch. So I am ready to go. So I will pick you guys up in a little bit. All right. Peace. as you can see, guys, we ended up stopping at the Halloween store to pick up a costume for my grandbaby. So let's take a look.